Guys, now we can see the fractal design. The case, it's a very big case. Okay, you can get out now. Okay, it's get out. You find inside the manual for computer case from Fractal design. I think it's the Sweden, Scandinavia. Yes, it's Sweden. However, okay, it's very cool and cold, fresh. You can open. Okay, you can see outside. It's every black case. Can open with without for the noise. You can choose also for the watt here for the. Okay, you can open here. You can press open. Here you have the fan, some fan with the filter for the dust. It's very good. Okay, can open. Can find here more gift. A box with the all balls, case, etc., etc. The panel, it's for the noise. It's very good. Have a good plug cave for USB. We can open. Can find fan. It's a very big fan. You can also, you can see here, it's more transformable. It's more good for build your PC. You can remove. It's not new. It's the used case. You can see some dust. No problem. If you buy new, you can find holes without dust, without problem. You can apply more fan here, 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 or here, here. Also, I think it's the another filter here. Oh yeah, another filter for the dust. It's a very nice case.